What's up, YouTube family? Yet another week and still maintaining a 100% win rate so far. So this week we placed around 3 trades, which I trade just gold, and I always post my trades on my free Telegram. So feel free to click the link to join, so you can be a part of the winning community. So we happened to place 3 trades on gold, and all was we had the 2 wins and 1 break even. So straight to it, I'm going to go straight to my chart and show you guys what I saw in the market and how we're able to secure yet another 100% win rate. Let's go. Okay guys, our first trade was on gold, which was on Monday, and it was a sell on gold, and this was the exact point I sold it from. You can see I marked it up. So what I saw in the market is that I posted an analysis in the morning that price was ranging between this level and this level, and I'm looking for a position when price broke below the structure. So initially, when I saw this break and price, when I saw this price driving, I was like, okay, it's driving, but I know I could not go into the market because all my confidence, all my bosses have not been fixed. So I cannot just jump into the trade. I have to wait for price to give me what I'm looking for before I go in. So okay, anytime I see price driving off, I say okay, definitely if price moves, it's going to give you a correction before moving again. So I was waiting for price to correct the move, give me a bit of correction and give me a setup for me to go short. But luckily for me, the price came back inside, closed bearish below the zone. I still couldn't get into this trade because it was uncertain. So I needed a clear price telling me that I want to move that direction. This just simply means that price is just rejected this level and probably can start pushing upward. So after I saw this bullish close, I said okay, if price can give me a bearish candle closing back below the zone, I'll wait for a rejection, a retracement, a little bit of retracement, and once it flip and break below the low, I was going to go in for sure. That is exactly what price did, and that's how I was able to catch this trade, and I posted it as well. You can see it's most people ate from it, most people didn't. So on Tuesday, it was a very quick buy. I'm not sure most people entered it, and it was also a break even because price came down, got to like 10-15 pips, and instantly it went back and got us out on our stop loss. So on Tuesday, I happened to place, let's see, and it was at my entry was around 2401, something like that, on Tuesday. So let's see. Okay, this was where I got in the price from. So my Tuesday entry was based on price is trading upward. I was looking for buys probably above this level, but price wasn't giving me that. Wasn't giving me that. So I'm looking for sales to price very below this support down here. I'm looking for probably positions to go short when price break below the structure. So the moment I saw this 30 minutes close, price actually gave me a retest. There was a retest candle, and which was this. When I saw this retest candle, I said okay, if price should break below this low, I'll go in, put my stop loss above this zone, and exactly that's where I got into the trade. And I got around, I told you price moved around 15, see, almost even 20 pips, but I was betting it to drive because that was a bit of volume time, so I expected the price would drive more, but unluckily price came back up, and I've secured I moved my stop loss to break even, so it just came, missed me out, and I was okay for there because I waited the entire day for price to just hit me with my stop loss. Probably next time I would close around 10 or 15 pips, but still I didn't get stopped out. Price never came to my stop loss, so I'm still maintaining my 100% steals. So moving forward on Wednesday, we didn't really get any setup on Wednesday. Price just moved without giving us any entry. So moving forward, so on Thursday was a good one, and price was literally ranging. Initially, my buyers for Friday was below this structure. This was where I'm looking for positions. But later on during the day, during the New York section, London session actually, price drove price downward without any entries for me. So I was okay leaving it to drive, waiting for more confirmation. So looking at the 15 minutes, so this was basically a fake out. So to me, I was basically just taking this candle out of the way. Let me do this. So basically, this candle was basically invisible to me. Let me do this. Sorry, give me a second. So basically, this candle was basically invincible to me. So it was like this. I just saw this candle as something like this. Sorry, it's showing. It was invincible to me. So I was just waiting for opportunity that the price will just let me see what price will do for me to look for positions. And the moment price broke below this structure, I said good, I need a retest. Price has to retest this level. So the moment I saw the retest, price breaking below the low, I got to my sell position, and easily I got around 45 pips in this trade. I closed at 40, secure profits, and I was okay with it. So it always pays to be patient. You have to be patiently wait for your setup. So if I wanted to go impulsively on this trade, probably I've lost a lot of money during the week, but I was patient and I waited for just my A+ setup. So this is it. This is how I was able to secure a 100% win rate on my trade again this week. So if you're interested in joining me to see how we trade and being part of the community, is all free. Just click the link below in this video and I'll join you on the chat.